We're here at Silver Spring State Park, and it's dark out. Getting there. We got a fire going. Leftovers of, we had dinner out here, some burritos. Anyway, this site is just beautiful. We have a really big site. I didn't put the awning out because a lot of tree cover here. It didn't seem necessary. They're trying to build a fort right now. Like, it's a little late for that, but I wanted to tell them no. Oh, we're right next to the bathrooms too, which is nice. I wanted to tell them no, but they weren't listening to me. So, this is the beginning of a fort. Then we'll have to tear it down before we leave tomorrow. We're leaving tomorrow. Matilda's outside. She's tired. She's about ready for nap. For bedtime, I mean. And Micah's outside too, hanging out. We're just hanging out, loving the fire together. And once these logs burn down, we're gonna call it a night and go inside and get ready for bed and stuff.
Let's take her to bed.
8 o'clock, no, 7 o'clock now, probably 7:30. Micah just said she's taking her to bed now. One of these kids are over there digging in the woods. You don't even see them from here. Anyways, Silver Spring State Park. It's in Cali, Florida, in the middle of the state. About the northern Florida kind of